guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, tatry po natin yung mga viral photo hacks sa TikTok.
Huwag na nating patagalin to. Let's go!
Hi guys, can you see us? Can you see us?
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
Yun na nga guys, tapos na natin yung mga viral photography hacks from TikTok.
Yan. Kung nagustuhan nyo, pwede nyo siyang gayahin gamit lang ang cellphone nyo. Yung last picture, gumamit kami doon ng DSLR kasi ginailangan para sa low exposure shot. So, ilalagay namin sa description yung naging settings ng camera namin for that. So, if you enjoyed the video, please give it
Like, share, and subscribe,
and turn on push notifications for shoutouts. Shoutout to Jairon Marcelo.
See you sa next vlog.
Peace!